Hello everyone, welcome to this third and final installment of this mini-series where we're testing out the new Gutenberg content or text editor in WordPress. We previously done 2 of the 3 tests. We're now on our final test and it looks like this one's going to annoy me a little bit again like the first one did. The second one wasn't too bad. We are having the same setup as we did last time. I've got the console, my WordPress console on the left and the tasks that we're going to be doing on the right. So let's crack on, I guess. So I'm going to go in and I'll add a new post. Let me scroll down a little bit. I'm going to give it a title. Life of Einstein. Right, now this is where this is the bit I'm going to hit. So you see these 2, I'll say boxes here. I've no idea how you do that. No idea. See, I did think to try columns last time, but it didn't go so well. Inline doesn't seem too good either. I don't know. Image, no. I mean, could go with table. Table doesn't seem such a bad thing. I don't know. Pull quote. How's pull quote? Okay. Don't want that. I'm not so sure. It's not a cover image. It's not an image. I mean, I could go with columns again. Right, let me add a paragraph in here and say I wish the content was different as well. I know what they've done, but I wish they had done imagination because it just it. Right, in this one, I need to add in an image. Media library. I've added in like 5 of these because I kept uploading them every single time. Get no idea where that's pulling from. Do that. It looks alright. Right, now I'm going to. Let's have a look. Right, let's add the colour. So background colour is that. I need a white, which is fine. By the way, to do like white or custom colours, you just kind of click on that. You can put the hex value in if you know it. If not, you can sort of click and drag to the right area. I'm probably gonna go with like a size 20. Does that look about right? Yep. And then it's got this big T. They call it a drop cap. Toggle to show a large initial letter, which is that. Definitely not size 20. Definitely not size 20. I don't know. I think the actual. Why is that so massive? I don't know. Like that, this whole thing cannot just be. It can't be 20. That T is massive. Really is. How do you even? Is it a case of you highlight that one, you highlight the T, and then you drop it down? I don't think so because I don't. I want it about there. That to me, that's probably a good size. but that T is really big. I don't know about the... I don't know about the T. No idea. It's just so big. Is this where I kind of say, oh well? I don't think so. I don't want to say, oh well. Anyway, let me write a caption that says source. I'm going to add a colon though. Media.salon.com, is it? Yeah. And the text color of that, well, you can't change, so I'm just going to have to leave it. Looks about right though, apart from that T is massive, really big. Don't like it, but hey, I can't complain too much. Right, time to add in the text. Albert, is this one after? Yeah. Ugh. Einstein. Let's try and do a bit of touch typing, which is not going to go down too well. Was a German. I'm not going to read it out either, because I'm pretty sure you're a bit bored. Theoretical physicist. Still can't spell. Really can't spell. I spell physicist. Physicist. Boo. Ah well. So that bit is done. Now I just need to add a final block. A nice little list block. Date of birth. Choose March 14th, 1879. Known for developing the scientific theory of relativity. Big N, saw that in a minute. Passing, April 19th, 1955. Still can't spell. Can't spell birth. I just can't spell today. I'll do for me. So, apart from it, it looks bold. Shall I don't like that. Yeah, I don't know if it looks good bold. Let's have a look. I should bold it. Bold. Eh. It looks fine. It really does look fine. I think that's it. Let's have a look. Yep. Well, let's publish it. Let's view it. See, why they did the theme's just completely wrong. Ah well, I got it roughly right. But it is interesting. Tell you what I will do. Let's just try. Like this looks really nice, apart from this big gap here, but that's just the way that the columns is, which I'm okay with, and it just sort it out when you post it. Let's just find something else. Probably reckon like 2015 it'd work a lot better, in all honesty. Is there anything like, I don't know, Material design, because that's quite easy to do. And it always looks decent, does material design. I don't know, let's search for them. Material design. I should just put material in really. Materialize template. Yeah, let's not. This one looks alright. Preview. Compatible. Let's whack it in. Let's activate it and then let's have a look, see how it looks. Let's go home. Yeah, that looks a lot better. Text is different, but that looks weird. But it looks a lot better though, I must admit. A lot better. Apart from that video's just really big. No idea why. I was expecting more like a 16:9 aspect ratio. But yeah, I'm happy with that generally. Overall, the new text editor is good. It's brilliant. I really like it. It's going to help those that struggled with the old editor, and I don't think you could find another type of editor that worked really any differently to the text editor built in. Can't really say too much because I just used the default one, and that was that because I was okay using the HTML like code editor part of it. But this seems to be a lot better in terms of like drag and drop, put stuff in. I don't want to say it's gonna be like right now. I don't think it's gonna be as good as other well-developed websites or text editors within those like content management systems. But this is certainly a good first version of the new content text editor. We can only wait to see what happens. Anyway, I'm not going to ramble on too much longer, so hope you enjoyed that like little mini series. I think I should do a lot more stuff within like WordPress or CMSs in general. What do you think? If you want me to do something more within WordPress or other CMSs, thumbs up, drop us a comment, something like that. Anyway, see you next time.